it's going to be different in 2012.
Dylan, what are you doing?
We will have had 2 years to discuss the budget.
What are you doing?
Abstract,
Are you helping, Daddy?
Over the last 2 years, the Republicans have had the benefit of watching us take all these
Help him
emergency
sit up a
actions,
little bit, Jared. I think he's kind of...
having
Unless
us
he's just leaning on you.
preside over a $1.3 trillion deficit that we inherited.
Dilly, what are you doing?
That's their problem.
You can't read, can you? Are you reading Daddy's book?
They're going to have to show me what it is that they think they can do.
He looks like he's looking.
And I think it becomes pretty clear after you go through the budget line by line that if, in fact, they want to pay for
Hey, Dill.
$700 billion worth of tax breaks
Dill
for wealthy
Pickle.
individuals, that's a lot of money.
Hey, Dilly.
And that the corresponding cuts that would have to be made are very painful. So, I
What are you doing?
Position, or I don't think they're going to do